Hello everybody, welcome to the market views of 15th June 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's look at the key points from yesterday. Markets ended on a bearish note. Foreign institutional investors sold shares worth about rupees 1,372 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 576 crores. A hammer-like pattern was formed on the daily charts. We'll see more about that in the next slide. Let's have a look at Nifty from yesterday. Nifty opened at 10,832 and closed at 10,808. Nifty made an intraday high of 10,833 and low of 10,773. The markets swung by about 59 points. The markets closed by about 48.6 points up from yesterday's previous close of 10,856. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 10,780 and 10,745. Resistance levels are at around 10,835 and 10,865. Let's have a look at the hammer candlestick. This is generally observed when the open, high and close prices are almost the same. There is a little or no upper shadow, and the lower shadow is longer and almost twice as long as the body. The sellers, bears pull the stock prices down, while the bulls and buyers push the stock prices up. The closing price is near the opening price. This candle normally indicates a trend reversal, and when it happens on a bullish trend, then it generally indicates a trend reversal with the market losing momentum and going down. But in this case, a hammer of the bears were able to push it down and the bulls were able to bring the prices back up and somewhat stabilizing. This signal is not considered a very strong signal. We have to use other indicators also to confirm if there would be any trend reversal in it. Let's have a look at the list of shares with long build-up. Here you can see Tata Steel with a change in open interest of 2.94, but there's no significant change in the prices, only about 0.34. But if you have a look at Lupin, which is also in the news recently, there is a change of about 3.18% and in the price, and a change in open interest of 2.04%. Lupin seems to be a good stock to look at. The other stocks, there is not much change in their prices except for Sun Pharma, which is about there is a change of 2.37%. And in the price, and a change in open interest of 0.79%. 0.79% is not a significant number, so that could be a normal part of the normal trading volumes. So, but anyway, if you're dealing with any of these stocks, please note that these stocks, there is some long build-up happening, and something good is likely to happen, or the stock price is likely to go up. These are the stocks with regards to long unwinding, where the price is decreasing and the open interest is also decreasing. Because the volumes change in open interest are lower, like for Maruti Suzuki it's 0.14, Hindustan Lever it's 0.15. These are not contributing or providing much information about it, but if you're dealing with these stocks, please note that the stocks are being unloaded, long positions are being closed for this, and the stocks may go down a little bit for these stocks. Let's have a look at the short build-up. Here, this happens when the price is decreasing, but the open interest is increasing. Basically, traders open short positions, which decreases the price, but the open interest keeps increasing. A very good stock to look at is Indiabulls Housing Finance. The open interest has changed by about 8.69%. However, the price also has changed by about 1.97%. And this stock was also in this short build-up list even yesterday, day before yesterday, which means that something is happening with Indiabulls, and there are a lot of short positions being built up for this particular stock. So if you're trading with this, then you know that there are more short positions initiated recently. Otherwise, if you have a look at it, Adani Port, ICICI Bank, Bharat Petroleum, all of them have notable short positions increase and also a noticeable change in their prices. So if you're dealing with these stocks, know that short buildup is happening in these stocks. Short covering in this list, we see a noticeable one only in Cipla, but again the price change also is very small, which is about 5 rupees. Otherwise, these numbers do not provide any significant variation. They should be part of normal trading day volumes. Mahindra & Mahindra, HDFC Bank, HDFC Power, the Power Grid Corporation, the percentage change in prices are also very marginal. So these are the stocks that we have noticed that short covering happened as of yesterday. Let's have a look at the world markets. The American markets, Dow Jones closed by about 0.10 points down. S&P 500 closed by about 0.25% up. Brazil was down by about 0.97%. Canadian markets up by about 0.38%. Chile was down by about 0.35%, and the Mexican markets were up by about 0.93%. The European markets all ended on a positive note, with the England markets up by 0.81%, European, France and German markets up by more than 1%, and Switzerland up by about 0.65%. Asian markets, Japanese markets closed by about 0.44% higher. Otherwise, rest of the markets all ended on a bearish note. The Hong Kong markets were down by about 0.06%. Chinese market down by about 0.33%. Mumbai Sensex and NSE Nifty closed at about 0.39% and 0.45% respectively. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty was down by about 21 points and with a change of about 0.19%. If Singapore Nifty is to give any indication, the markets should open at around the same range and probably be range bound. But anyway, you please be cautious with your trades. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views from Brokerage Free. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.